Behold the Keurig K-Express coffee maker, a mint-colored marvel that transforms your morning rituals. Unveiling this compact wonder, you're not just unboxing a coffee maker but a promise of delightful mornings. Its minimalist design adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen. With the push of a button, it brews any K-cup pod to perfection. From bold espressos to soothing herbal teas, this versatile machine caters to diverse coffee preferences with ease. The Keurig K-Express is a beacon of efficiency in today's fast-paced world. Its rapid heating technology delivers ready-to-savor coffee in moments, while a generous 36-ounce water reservoir ensures multiple servings without constant refills. Mindful of our environmental impact, the Keurig K-Express features a recyclable K-cup pod system, allowing you to enjoy your coffee guilt-free. Its customizable brew strength settings let you tailor each cup to your unique taste buds, saying goodbye to one-size-fits-all coffee. In a world of routine, the Keurig K-Express coffee maker is here to elevate your daily rituals, transforming ordinary mornings into extraordinary experiences. Whether you're a seasoned coffee aficionado or a casual sipper, this stylish appliance is a game changer.